You're a good friend, Jerry.
Oh, thank you.
这个待会儿再吃，到站再吃，下车再吃。
Do you like to eat baked snails?
Yes, sometimes. That's true.
Which car do you like? I have a friend's car. If you can you write your English name on the book?
Yeah, sure.
Hello?
请您在取开水时注意不要接的。
And you, have you already traveled outside of China?
Yes.
Where to? Guangzhou.
Yes.
But it's in China.
Yes.
You just passed from the 1st to the 5th. Jerry, I will not give you your license at the end of the examination.
Hello, how are you?
关注后排座位情况，请调缓慢。
He's really.
He's searching for me? Here's this seat. Jerry, come back. Guys, I think it's not Jerry.
This one is a MP3. It's Chinese story.
Okay, my level in Chinese is not that good to listen to this story.
To go it. This time. Okay. 你是第一次来中国吗？
不第一次 second time. And you 第一次？
我住在中国。
你是中国人吗？啊，Jerry。
我原来有这条。I go back.
Okay, you are the real Jerry.
Yes. You know.
He was a clone.
I'll go to France to see you.
Me, I will go to China to see you again. We're gonna play a game.
Yes, another game.
It's called King of Silence. The first one who says something lost.
Yes.
A random guy just gave me this bottle of water. That's nice, I didn't have one.
I told you.
You lost.
Bye bye.
Bye bye, Jerry. I love you, chatting. I love you.
Thank you.
Do you have a more challenging one? Because this one is a bit easy. Whoa! Sorry, I crashed the car.